how to configure a VLAN in Packet Tracer. So starting, we just take out a few PCs, two PCs here. Let's put two PCs over here, a router, and a switch. Switch right here, do automatic cabling, physical cables to the router. Okay, from here we are going to want to click the switch, then go to configuration. We can go to VLAN database. Here we can add 20 VLAN name. Let's add packet. We could just add virtual. Call it virtual. Let's keep it simple. Add. Then here we're going to want to space this out a bit. Then we check these two here. We want to put these on the virtual, on the VLAN. So FA03, FA04. So here we can just do. We add this to 20. FA04. Can add this to virtual 20. Okay, now that's done. We can add these configurations. Oh wait, we can start with the router. Let's start by adding configuration gigabit 00. Then we add the IP address, the gateway, which is 1.1.1. Could go with this. Yeah, we can write this just next to it. 1.2, 1.68.1. It's the physical default gateway. Now, okay, we might as well just add the VLAN as well. 2.20.1. Now we're here to adding the IP addresses. We go here, configuration, desktop IP configuration. Here we add 1.68.1.2. Subnet masks adds automatically. Default gateway 161.1 because this is 1.1. Now we go here, we do the same thing. Configuration 192.168.1.3. I think we added 2 here. Yeah, 3. Add the default gateway. Let's just type this out just to make it clear. 3. Oh. 1.3. Now for this one, 192.168.1.2. Alright, just to make sure this is correct. Yeah, 0.2. And now for these ones here in the virtual local area network, we do the same thing. FA03. We just got IP configuration. 192.168.20.2. And not 1 because that's the default gateway of VLAN. Now we add the default gateway, which is clearly 2.1. Close this. Now we do the same thing for the next one, but first I'm going to write 168.20.2. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Now for this one, 192.168.20.3, yes. 192.168.20.1. So this is all just to so these PCs here can communicate to this interface, and these ones can communicate to this one. But at the end they'll be able to communicate everywhere. So this one to this one, and even these ones to this one here, the physical gateway. So once we've done this, we let me double check something. So FA3 0420, yes. FA320, yep. Database, this is added, nice. So now we click the router. we go to we check the 000 here, port status on, click this. So here we go to CLI, enter this. Now we do we can exit. From here we do interface gigabit Ethernet 0.1. Now the state is changed from down to up. Now we do encapsulation .1q 20, and now we add the IP address 192.168.20.1, then the subnet mask, don't forget this one, 0.0. Is this correct? Yeah, it should be correct. Now we can exit, we can close this, and there's one more thing with the switch, I think. Now we go to this interface here, click this, then we change this to trunk. This is important. Now we close. Now we can just wait a little moment, and this should be okay. We can test this communication to here. Failed. Let's try it one more time. Failed again. Okay, let's see where we went wrong. This IP address is 20.3. Let's just type that out. 3. Okay, now this is green. Maybe to work this time. Successful. Now it works. So let's try this one to this one. Might fail on the first try. Successful. Now we can try this one to the router. Successful. PC router as well. Successful. Now we can just, if you want to make sure, just open up command prompt and test it out yourselves. 0.12. Now we're getting a reply. This works. Communication is there. Now we can maybe ping the physical gateway 192.168.1.1. Yeah, we're getting a response. So now all these devices can clearly communicate everywhere, and there's trunking here. So that's how you configure a VLAN in Packet Tracer. So thanks for watching. Bye.